How to create a CPAGrip account, sign up, and get approved. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be creating a CPAGrip account, signing up, and getting approved in the easiest way possible. So you're going to come up to CPAGrip.com, okay? And to get straight into the sign up process, what you're going to do is you're going to click up on sign up now. Now once you click on sign up now, basically from here we're going to get verified, and once you get verified it takes you into the proceeding. Once you are here it says, are you a new member? Obviously we're going to go ahead and enter all the details that we want to about ourselves. Once you do that, add your email address, and you're going to add in a strong password that obviously you are going to remember for yourself. So I'm just going to go ahead and confirm the password real quick. Now once all of that is done, choose a time zone for yourself, agree to their terms and service, and you're also going to add in your Skype IM name, add in your state region. Once you do that, click on register now. You can update the information for yourself and then finally get into the dashboard. And to get verified and to get approved, you are going to want to make sure that you have the proper information, and you're going to go into payment center and add the proper things in the payment settings section. So you can go into account settings and just verify all the things. So we require account to earn a minimum of $25 before you participate in public chat program, and a whole lot more. So you can see you can validate from your account email, and from there on out you're going to add your tax documents, and everything you do from there is going to be approved and verified. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.